Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to knit this beautiful and very easy pattern. You can use this pattern in your jeans sweater and hat. This is the way it looks like. See, wrong side looks like this. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 11 and plus 4 extra stitch. We don't have separate edge stitch for this pattern. So you will need to cast 10 multiples of 11 plus 4 extra stitch here and 2 edge stitch on both sides. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 26 stitches on my needle, which is 11 plus 11 22 and plus 4 extra stitch 26. So row 1 right side, purl 4. The repeat pattern starts from here. So first you, because this is the first stitch, so knit this first stitch through the back loop to get the smooth edge, and we're gonna count this stitch edge purl stitch, right? So purl 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 4 and purl 3, 1 2 3, purl 3, knit 1, purl 3, 1 2 3. That's the repeat from here to here. This is the repeat pattern. For repeat pattern we have done purl 4, 1 2 3 4, again purl 3, 1 2 3, knit 1, purl 3. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 3, 1 2 3, knit 1, purl 3, 1 2 and 3. So we have done 2 repeats from here to here, and after you finish all repeats, for a last 4 stitch, 1 2 3 4 stitch, last 4 stitch, purl 4, 1 2 3, because this is last stitch, so knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side, slip your first stitch. We're gonna count edge purl stitch, this one. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 4 and here knit 3, here in back, knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3, purl 1 and knit 3, 1 2 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 4, sorry, from here to here, purl 4, 1 2 3 4, knit 3, 1 2 3, purl 1 and knit 3. Repeat that again. And in front, purl 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 4, and in back, knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3, purl 1, knit 3, 1 2 and 3, and your last 4 stitch, purl 4, 1 2 3, and this last stitch slip on the wrong side, right? Because this is last stitch, so slip. Row 3. For row 3, knit your edge stitch through the back loop. Sorry, first stitch. We're gonna count edge purl stitch, this one. So purl 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 4 and here purl 3, 1 2 3, knit 1, purl 3, 1 2 and 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 3, 1 2 3, knit 1, purl 3. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 4, purl 3, 1 2 3, knit 1 and purl 3, 1 2 3, and your last 4 stitch, purl 4, 1 2 3, because this is last stitch, so knit on the right side, right, 4, purl 4. Row 6, sorry, yes, row 4, sorry, row 4 edge stitch, slip, because this is last first stitch, so slip 1 2 3 4, purl 4, knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3, purl 1 and knit 3, 1 2 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 3, 1 2 3, knit 3, purl 1, knit 3. Repeat that again. Purl 4, sorry, purl 4, 1 2 3 4, knit 3, purl 1, knit 3. Repeat that again. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 4, knit 3, 1 2 3, purl 1, knit 3, 1 2 3. Last 4 stitch, purl 4, 1 2 3 and 4. Row 5. For row 5, knit your first stitch and count it as purl stitch. So purl 1 2 3 4, purl 4, and here purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 and purl 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 4, sorry, from here to here, purl 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 and purl 2. Repeat that again. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 and purl 2, and your last 4 stitch, purl 4, 1 2 3 and 4. Row 6, row 6, slip your edge stitch. We're gonna count as 1, purl 1, so 1 2 3 4, purl 4, knit 2, 1 2, purl 1, knit 2. Yes, purl 1, knit 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4, knit 2, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 and knit 2. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 4, knit 2, purl 1, knit 1 and purl 1, and last, sorry, and then knit 2. We have done 2 repeats, and last 4 stitch, purl 4, 1 2 3 and 4. Row 7, for row 7 knit edge row 5. So knit your edge stitch, sorry, first stitch through the back loop, because this is first stitch. So we're gonna count edge purl 1. So we have done 1 2 3 4, purl 4, and then here purl 2, knit 1, purl 1 and knit 1, and then purl 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 and purl 2. Repeat that again. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 2, 1 2, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 and then purl 2. And your last 4 stitch, purl 4, 1 2 3 4. Row 8, last row, knit edge row 6, slip the first stitch, 1, purl 2 3 4, purl 4, knit 2, 1 2, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 4, knit 2, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 2. Again, purl 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 4, knit 2, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 and knit 2 and purl 4, 1 2 3 and 4. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. After your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.